road test of our 2015 15 plate Volvo V40 cross country D2. It's got 61,100 miles on the clock. We're just going to get a little run up the road, see how it drives. Yeah, good solid little car, great tight gearbox, gear changes are nice and smooth, no warning lights up on it, everything feels really nice and tight. You wouldn't know it's done 60,000 miles, you could be thinking it had done 30. To be fair, it's really nice, lovely little car, really nice and straight. It's in Flamenco red, the dark metallic red. We've got full service history for the car. We've got 8 stamps in the book in total, right up to 2022. We've got 2 remote keys, as you can see there. Great pedigree, lots of history with it, all backing up the mileage. Got good long MOT on it as well. Tyres are all good. Everything is really, really straight with this car. It's lovely, nice car to drive, and very, very cheap to run as well. 0 road fund licence, so it's nothing to tax. And being the D2 diesel, it's really economical, and late 50s, probably 60 plus to the gallon, quite comfortably on a decent run. It's a lovely spec as well. It's in the Flamenco red, as I said. It's got gloss black mirror covers on it, which give it a nice look in the inside. We've got tinted rear glass. It's got rear parking sensors. Upgraded as well is the full charcoal grey leather with the little pipe stitching on it. You've got heated seats. I think it's actually got winter pack, because you've got heated seats, you've got headlamp washers, and it does have the heated front screen as well, which is just controlled through the main dash there. So I believe it's a winter pack effectively on it, but it's got all of those features, as well as the standard spec that it comes with. So it's got cruise and various other little bits of extras on it, as obviously your sat nav as well. So really, really nice little car, really well looked after, great service history, great pedigree. Usual all information up on our website about the car, plus lots of images. But if there is any additional information you'd like on the car, the finance packages we offer, or our home delivery service, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.